Hello everybody. Today you will make something that's really good, special now. Everybody, like I say, like to eat outside. With a lot of people, you can make a nice chicken cacciatore. And I got everything right over here prepared already. We got the chicken. I got legs, thighs, and wings. And salt and black pepper. We got a pepper, sweet pepper. I got the green and the yellow. I got the plum tomato. What I did, I boil, take the skin out, and I chop, I put a dice. I gotta use oregano. This is my homemade oregano from my garden. Basil and the thyme. We gotta use a little wine. We gotta use onion, garlic. And I want to use my oil baby from my garden. And we got black olives. This is the flour. And I got my oil baby pepper. And I cut over here. Oh, look how beautiful this pepper. Really, really nice. And I cut in a half. And a half. This is really spice. We got the yellow pepper. And I cut it this way. I take this out. And we take like this. It's so easy to do. Look. This inside, it's the take out. Okay, look, it's a nice clean. And this the yellow over here, we split in half, and we do the same thing. All right. And now we put it together over here. We got the onion and the garlic. The garlic, a little bit. Yeah, chop. And we got the onion. Yeah, I want to slice it. The onion. All right. And we put it back now on the dish over here. Now, this pot, put oil. And this other one, I put oil over here too. Because this I saute the pepper. Couple of pieces of the garlic can give a good taste for the chicken. And we put the legs over here like that. Okay, the garlic start to jump around a little bit. And we put the legs. And the thigh, look at that. This it's no hard to do. It's really, really easy. It's easy to make, it's easy to eat. All right. Okay, now this is cooked. Let me wash my hand. Okay, now this, I gotta make a nice, beautiful color. And we got over here the oil. And we put the onion and the garlic, the saute. Right? We put the olives. I want to saute. Alright, and now it's the time to put the pepper. It looks so many, but after one time this is cooked, it's not too much, but it got a lot of pepper over here. We use a little salt. Black pepper. I got the thyme This is from my garden, okay? And we use a little thyme. And we got a fresh basil. It's everything in my garden, I got it. All right, now let's see the chicken. Now we got the oregano. I put oregano with it. This is my oregano from my garden. Okay, now what I gotta do, I gotta load the gas. This is dry wine. Okay, and now we turn to the other side. I put in the tomato, but I gotta use all of it. I know you put not all things. Let me see. Salute cincin everybody. Cincin. All right. Okay. Now all this and the pepper, you gotta go right on these spots over here. We put a little pepper on a bottle. You gotta go in the oven for 45 minutes. But now, you go over here. Yeah, I wanna make sure. I got a lot of the wine over here. And all the pepper. It's going to start inside. Okay. We spread everything, huh? I got the oven, it's a 400 degree, okay? I got a lot of basil over here. The basil is so good. Look how nice. See what I did? I prepared one. After everybody want to see this one that they cook, it takes 45 to 50 minutes. But I got this one. It's done. I told you to I like the thighs and the legs, and the wings. Not too much the breast. The breast for me, it's good, but I prefer this. Look. I was say I want to make a polenta. It's the best. The polenta with the chicken cacciatore. So good. Look at this. Ooh, it's really hot now. They're really good. The pepper. The spice. Really delicious, really good. Well, anyway, I'm drinking a little wine, kind of gotta go out. But I will go out, I don't drink wine. But now, let's say salute e cincin ad everybody. And thank you so much. The look of this video can come out really, really good. Chin chin salute, and we see next time. Chin chin.